Welcome to the best remote work from home job just for you. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell because we have 5 to 7 job leads every single day here just for you. Hello and welcome to the best remote work from home job just for you. Today we have 3 different positions that you can apply to work from home just for you. And we're going to start with Greenleaf University. They're looking for an online social media marketing instructor. Pays up to $2,000 a month. Greenleaf University is hiring and we're looking for instructors in a variety of fields. If you're interested in teaching remotely and have a curriculum ready, please apply. Our courses are 100% self-paced with 1 hour per week live session that is flexible to your schedule. Skills required: excellent written and verbal communication skills, teaching skills, time management and organization skills, interpersonal skills, advanced computer skills, and English proficiency. Online teachers should be punctual, patient, friendly, reliable, creative, energetic, and work well independently. Developing weekly courses based on the subject assigned, creating weekly discussions, writing and grading assignments, contacting students via email or instant messengers regularly, posting course announcements to students, maintain student records, and observing student progress, among others. This job is part-time, pays $2,000 a month, flexible schedule with self-determined schedule, and at least 1 year of teaching is preferred. If you feel like this is the perfect position for you, we're going to put the link right in the description below under job number 1 so you can apply right away. But if not, don't worry. We're going to have more jobs right here in this particular video, so stay tuned. But also on this channel, we post 5 to 7 job leads every single day for you. So all you have to do is subscribe and hit the notification bell if you want to be one of the first notified. This next position is from the company District 112 Foundation, and they're looking for an operations coordinator. Pays from $20 an hour. The operations manager will be responsible for managing the operations of the organizations that are daily and help manage program budgets in collaboration with the board of directors, reporting directly to the chair of the board of directors. This position's primary responsibility is ensuring organization effectiveness by consistently supporting the execution of the entirety of the organization's function. Responsibilities by functions. Program operations. You serve as a first point of contact for organization by managing main phone and email accounts, answering questions and handle general problems, elevate to executive committee as needed, support database upkeep for all constituents engaged with the organization, manage the calendar of foundation events and obligations. Finance and HR and compliance. Manage the day-to-day finance operations including processing deposits, payables, reimbursements, and invoices while interact with board members, district staff, and business partners as needed. Gather and organize data to support audits, tax filings, and other processes. Maintain insurance, tax, and other filings to ensure compliance with federal and state nonprofit requirements. Maintain and monitor all fundraising and accounting systems and procedures. Capture all pledges, billings, and receipts, recommending and implementing improvements to systems as needed. Support HR activities and file maintenance, including payroll and insurance needs of the organization. Maintain impeccable files. General administrative. Provide relief to the board of directors for administrative type of functions in order to increase the time they have available to execute strategic priorities of the organization. Prepare for and coordinate meetings in consultation with the executive committee, committee leads, and district personnel as needed. Prepare agendas and other correspondence including letters, memos, and reports. Manage office equipment, supplies, and other needs and maintain relationships and vendors. Maintain, administer, and train others on effective use of platforms and systems utilized by the organization. Contribute to the development and integration of new processes as appropriate. Communications. Update website with update to events, programming, and other additional information. Maintain social media presence on platforms appropriate for the organization. Minimal qualifications, committee to the mission of the District 112 Foundation. excellent computer skills and proficiency in QuickBooks, Microsoft Suite, Google Suite, email, and cloud-based applications, ability to work independently and execute at a high level with minimal oversight, 2 to 5 years of experience working in an office or similar professional environment, high levels of professionalism, integrity, and optimism, discretion in managing confidential and time-sensitive material, outstanding organization skills and attention in detail, excellent verbal and written communication skills, valid driver's license and regular access to a vehicle, willingness to travel for program activities, willingness to maintain a flexible schedule, including working occasional nights and weekends for special projects and foundation events, preferred qualifications, bachelor's degree, direct experience in bookkeeping, financial management and/or budget oversight, knowledge of tax and other compliance implications of nonprofit status, demonstrated leadership and vision in managing staff and/or major projects and initiatives, experience with constituent management software, website development and management experience, event planning expertise with graphic design or marketing content development, direct or indirect experience with fundraising activities. This job is part-time, starts at $20 an hour, and it is fully remote. If you feel like you're the perfect candidate for this position, we're going to put the link right in the description below so you can apply right away. But if not, don't worry. We're going to have another job right here on this particular video, and also on this channel. We pride ourselves on looking at the best remote work from home jobs positions just for you. So make sure you subscribe and hit the notification bell if you want to be among the first notified. This next job is from the Bethel Lutheran Church. They're looking for a communications manager. It pays up to $18 an hour. Your responsibilities will be produce the monthly newsletter in a timely and professional manner, produce the weekly newsletter in a timely and professional manner, solicit newsletter information from knowledgeable sources within the congregation, keep informed of the activities in the congregation and community for inclusion in the newsletter, whether another person submits an article or not, write articles for the newsletter as needed, edit articles submitted for publication as needed, send reminder emails to regular newsletter submitters about upcoming submission deadlines, maintain Bethel's website and Facebook posts, manage congregation-wide emails. This job is part-time, pays $18 an hour. It has a flexible schedule with the ability of you to self-determine your own schedule. The experience, at least 2 years of writing skills preferred, and at least 1 year in creative writing preferred. And language, English is preferred. I will say required, but it says preferred there. If you feel like you're the perfect candidate for this position, we're going to put the link right in the description below on the job number 3 so you can apply right away. But if not, don't worry. We're going to have 5 to 7 job leads every single day on this particular channel. And all you have to do is subscribe and hit the notification bell if you want to be one of the first notified when we have the best remote work from home job that's available for you. And we also have online courses available for you. We have Land the Remote Job, the best way to work from home. If you're curious about how to land that remote job, how to ace those interviews, how to have the best resume, then Land the Remote Job, the best way to work from home, will be the course for you. We have Building Profitable Online Side Hustles, so you have multiple streams of income. We also have Creating Your Own YouTube Empire. If you ever wanted to do a YouTube channel, whether you show your face or not, you can do it as well. And if you want to get all 3 of these courses as the ultimate work from home bundle for 45% off, it's also available. All the links are going to be in the description below, so you can go and get those online courses right away and make all the money from home. Whether you're fed up with the office work lifestyle and you just want to work from home, or you're just looking for more freedom for you and your loved ones and family, work from home opportunities for you right here on this YouTube channel. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you get notified every single time we have a brand new work from home opportunity just for you.